I have some chores to get done, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Number one, we got to get these boards routed behind me. I've got them all straight lined. I do have them all planed, and now I have to do the roundovers. I suspect it's probably going to take a day or two. I think I have about a week into planing and straight lining them all now. I got to get some grass mowed. I got to finish up the irrigation system on the garden. What else do we have to do? I do have that guy's logs we got to get milled up. And just a handful of other chores around here. So I'll take you along with me. Hopefully you'll enjoy the content. And let's get this video going. I'm not going to lie. This might be the worst job. I got to router every edge. The first one I screwed up. The bearing blew out on it. So I just actually ordered another one. I ordered a Freud, a 4-flute, 3/8 roundover. We'll see what it happens. It shows up tomorrow, but I'm going to knock out a few of these today. Today's Friday. I don't want to do this much over the weekend, but I need to get cracking on this. It's a pretty good cut. I had another 3/8 rollover, and it's cutting pretty good. I'll cut a couple. If I see it starting to tear out, we'll wait till that new cutter shows up tomorrow. Uh-oh, looks like we might get rained on. That happened fast. I am very pleased how these are turning out. If I can cross them. Fingers crossed we have enough. But man, isn't that sharp? With the rollovers, the rounded edges, these boards are just popping. With these oak boards, what do you guys, any of you recommend a spacing or of any sort? What do you think? Should I just butt them together? Now, they dried for the year. They're pretty dry. You know, like I said, they shrunk a 1/2 inch, literally. We're about to get some rain, so I'm coming in right now. Plus, this is just a filthy job, and I'm standing on concrete for a long time. And my back hurts. Still giving me lots of grief. All the waste from straight lining the boards created a lot of nice kindling. That's the final step in preparing all those boards for laying them out on the deck. I think I have enough. It's gonna be close. I have some suspect boards, pretty flat. I did a good job stickering them. So there was very little cupping over the last year. I do have a series of 8 and 10 foot boards that are too small for anywhere on the deck, but they might work out well for the picture frames. I'm gonna picture frame the deck I did previously. The garden. Okay guys, what are we getting into today? Well, first we had to wait for all the rain to stop. We got a lot of rain today, this morning. We're gonna go work on that guy's order for those small logs. This is that 84-year-old gentleman that is a woodworker, and I really enjoyed the guy's company that day. So we're going to take care of this for him. I don't think I'll get it done today because it's supposed to start raining later this afternoon again. And I'm getting a late start because of the rain. Before we can get milling, I got to move some pallets of lumber around out there, and then we can get milling. Last night a bunch of storms went through at about 6:30 or so, knocked down a bunch of trees, power lines, and I think it's about noon today, and I believe they're talking 9 o'clock tonight or tomorrow. But we're gonna get that moved, gotta get that out of here, and that will do it for this video. So take care guys, hopefully you like the content, smash that thumbs up button, and comment and subscribe. Take care, we'll see you next time.